Hi, Lalix, it's LaLiLu. And here's our Lali. Look at this adorable doll.
Hi, everyone.
Yeah!
Hey, bestie, so happy to see you. Let's unbox her already. She is absolutely lovely. Hey, where are your clothes?
I don't know. Maybe in the box? Oh, there's only this.
Cardboard? No, they forgot the outfit. Code red, code red.
Wait, don't panic. I've got an idea. Look, we can make an outfit out of cardboard.
Sounds interesting.
Hey, there's more here.
Perfect, I can use that. Do you have a marker too?
I'll draw a sketch right now.
Let me help you.
Thanks. Like this. Just a little more. Done, LaLiLu.
Yes. Great, time to cut it out.
No, wait. LaLiLu, we need decorative scissors.
Okay.
Yes, I want that.
Awesome. Let's cut a wavy edge. Done. Let's try it on.
The skirt is amazing.
Now let's work on the top. I'm cutting it out of craft paper. Just like this. And putting it on Lali.
Yay!
It needs some hearts. Let's punch them out with a shaped hole punch. Pop. And one more.
Let's mix pink and blue.
That's so Lali style. And placing them on the shirt. Decorating the skirt. So pretty. Cute bows for her hair. Absolutely adorable. You can make a stylish look even from cardboard.
Thanks, I'm heading to the playground. So many kids here. They're all playing. I want to join the girls. Hi, I'm Lali. Wow, those dolls are so cool. They're so cute. Can I play with you?
Where's your doll?
Oh, I don't have one. How are we supposed to play then? Oh, you're right. LaLiLu, other girls don't want to play with me.
Don't cry, bestie.
I don't have a doll.
Hey!
Oh, what's this? A notebook. Yeah.
I've got an idea. Let's make a cardboard doll.
That'll be so fun. I'll need some small scissors. Cutting.
LaLiLu, hurry. I can't wait.
Yes!
We need to be very careful here. The doll is ready. Here you go.
We need a stand, too.
Okay. Let's make one. There, done.
Yay! My doll is so cool.
Pick an outfit for her.
I like both of these. Mini Lali should have lots of clothes.
No problem. Snip, snip, snip. Done. So many different outfits.
Let's dress her up.
Let's try the skirt. Or maybe the dress. A top or a crown. She can even be a cheerleader. Playing with a paper doll is so fun.
All right, you're dressed up. Let's go to the playground. Climb up the ladder. Let me give you a ride.
Huh?
Our dolls need outfits like that, too. Wait!
Can we have dresses like that too?
Of course. Here you go.
Wow!
Let's all play together. Let's do it. This is so fun. I'm glad you like it.
Hey, Lali.
What?
Do you know what can unlock your full talent? Design school. Press the button.
Hurry!
Yeah!
New look.
Oh, my clothes are too small. LaLiLu, we need to fix this. Oh, this won't work.
We'll make you a new outfit. Choose one.
Wow, everything's so bright. I want this light blue fabric. Let's roll it out real quick. LaLiLu, I'm ready.
Tracing the doll's silhouette. Got it.
How's it going?
Lali, check this out.
We need to finish the sketch. Hold on. Okay, you can cut now.
Okay. Let's prep the top in short pieces. Will you help sew?
Of course. Just a second. Let's stitch it up real quickly. All right, done.
Great. Try it on.
Oh my!
So comfy and stylish.
Let's add a pink skirt.
Oh, that'll be perfect.
Gathering the fabric into folds. What?
Give it here, I'll sew it.
Let's go!
What else is my machine for? Just a bit more, and right here.
Hey, Lali, everything okay?
I messed it up.
Oh, bestie, don't be sad. You'll get it next time. Okay?
All right,
Oh,
I've got it. I'll make a skirt from light clay. 1, 2, done.
there we go. Let's decorate it with a white ruffle. Putting boots on her feet. Our Lali looks gorgeous. The outfit turned out so bright. Totally her style. Here's your bag.
I need to get to class.
Bye.
Design school is my dream.
Hello.
Take your seats.
Awesome! I'll become a famous designer. I have so many ideas. Hey, who's that? We're the main stars here.
Your first task. Create a dress design.
Wow, that's so beautiful.
Woo.
Pick your materials.
Yeah.
I want... We're first. We took all the best stuff. How did that happen? What's left?
Cardboard.
That works. All right, let me think. Got it. I already have an idea. Nice. What a cute dress. I should add something.
What?
Already finished?
Huh.
Her dress is better than mine. But I have a solution. We'll see who wins. A cute bow would fit here. Where's my dress? Now it's mine. Oh no, she took it! LaLiLu, what should I do?
Bestie, what happened?
I have nothing to show the teacher.
Oh.
Wait a second. What a cool hair tie.
Ooh.
I know how to fix everything.
And here's your new model.
I'm Daisy. I'm Lali. Come on, try it on. It's just your size. The skirt is awesome, but these pants don't match. Toss them out. I need scissors.
Wow.
Let's trim the skirt a bit. Feels like something's missing.
Maybe a bow? Look, it's on her hair tie too.
Exactly, great idea. Let's take it off and attach it like this. Beautiful, just how I wanted it.
Oh, I love it too. Let's decorate the top with a thin ribbon.
And my favorite, heart rhinestones. Did you see how they sparkle? Let's add more. Done. What do you think?
Ooh.
Gorgeous. Let's go to the runway.
The show is about to start.
Oh my, so many people. I'm nervous.
First up, Stacy's design. Cardboard dress. Oh, how creative.
Yep, that was my idea. Bravo, well done.
You get the prize.
Oh, is that thunder?
It wasn't in the forecast.
Oops, the dress got soaked in the rain.
Oh no.
Now it's our turn. I'm ready.
Lali made an incredible dress. Look how beautifully it shines.
Unbelievable.
Lali's dress is stunning. Sorry, but the prize goes to Lali.
That can't be.
Here, this is for you.
Thanks. Wow, a surprise box. LaLiLu, look.
Wow, how interesting. Let me see.
Nope.
Please.
Stop that.
Lali, we'll open it together. What do you think is inside?
Wow.
An invitation to Rumi and Jinu's wedding. I'm so happy.
You need to make a dress for the bride.
Really? My first real order.
Yay!
I've finally been recognized.
Let's go.
All right, what do we have here? Super shiny decorations. Oh, but there's no fabric. LaLiLu.
Don't worry, we'll figure something out. Give me that.
Need to think. Cola for inspiration. I've got an idea. LaLiLu, we'll make a dress from a bottle.
Nice, great idea. Let's grab a cola bottle. First, we need to pour it out. Perfect, I'll drink it later. Now remove the label. Cutting the plastic. Now, almost.
LaLiLu having trouble.
I can't cut the bottle.
Maybe try something from here, a knife or a dolphin.
You're funny. What to pick, dolphin or knife? Probably the knife. Don't distract me. Cutting the bottle. Done. And shaping this piece. Lightly melting the edges to make them wavy. Wiping off the soot carefully.
Wow, those petals! Woo-hoo! Woo-hoo-hoo! So cool. They're all for me. Oh, who's that?
So how's my order coming along? Huh?
Yes. The dress is almost ready.
Really?
Of course.
Coming. Let's change. We need a petticoat.
Oh, this might help.
Exactly. Gluing the petals with hot glue. Assembling the skirt and decorating the top. Next, clear gel.
No!
Lali, what's wrong?
You forgot gloves.
Oh, thanks. Now we pour the gel. A few drops of blue dye, gently mixing everything with a brush, coating the petals with a thin layer, and adding glitter. Shine! Curing it under a lamp.
Something's missing, but what? Got it! Woo, Lali magic! There's no such thing as too much glitter. Achoo!
Luxurious diamonds! Look how they sparkle! And new shoes. Ta-da!
Wow! So beautiful! Woo. Wait, why aren't the shoes sparkling? Let's decorate them with this ribbon. LaLiLu, cut it.
Okay.
Like this. And we'll make earrings from the leftovers. Perfect!
Rumi is the most beautiful bride, just missing a veil. Ta-da! And a bouquet. I look stunning. I love these earrings. Gina will be thrilled.
Let's compare it to the reference.
Woo! It turned out even better. The groom has arrived for Rumi. Oops, I'm already late.
Run, bestie! Good luck!
The guests have gathered.
Did you see that?
Yes! Dazzling shine! And here they are, Rumi and Ginu.
Don't block the view. We want to see the dress. Wow, it's magical. The best dress I've ever seen. Who's the designer?
Hey, come here, bestie. She's got golden hands.
I'm so happy you liked the dress.
Who would have thought it was made from a simple bottle? The dress is on every cover.
My dress is in magazines. This is real success.
Are you the designer of this masterpiece? Can I get an interview?
Yes, of course.
Everyone wants to interview Lali. Your work is incredible.
By the way, my collection show is coming soon. You should come. I'm famous. I can't believe it. But my look isn't right for a celebrity.
Aww.
I don't have a cool outfit.
Hey, Lali, don't be sad. Come with me. I think you'll look stunning in a golden look.
Wow, beautiful.
I'll grab the tools.
Don't forget the scissors.
Here, done.
You call that scissors?
Relax, I know what I'm doing. Wrapping the doll with fabric. Gluing right here. Yep, a tiny drop. Great, removing the shirt and pants. Wow.
Ooh, promising start.
Huh?
Ooh, such an interesting chest. Bet it's treasure inside.
Let's go.
Wow.
I knew it. So many gold pieces. Amazing.
Oh,
This will come in handy. LaLiLu, look at these earrings. Aren't they cool?
huh? Lali, why do you need them?
Let's come up with something using them. I really want to.
All right, let's decorate the dress with them.
Yes, let's do it.
I'll fix them right here. And add a dangling earring here. Looks super glamorous. But the sneakers don't match at all. Pop! This dress needs a luxurious long train. This fabric shines so beautifully. It's perfect.
All right, I'm off.
Oh, wait. Don't rush. A gold hair clip. The look turned out absolutely stunning.
Now I feel like a star. I'm heading to the fashion show.
Let me walk you there.
Thanks. Finally, the world will see my designs.
Good.
Here come the models. We can start.
Wow, an incredible jewelry-inspired collection by Lali. Shoes, dresses, accessories.
Write in the comments which dress you liked the most. Love you, my Lalix.